What are you doing? Spilling the Capri Sun? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you drinking all the Capri Suns? No? Oh, no? Yeah. Why are you in there drinking all the Capri Suns? Huh? No, don't shake it up like that. Is it good? No? No, it's not good? Then why are you drinking it? Huh? Why are you drinking it if it's not any good? Huh? You supposed to be off in there and drinking all the Capri Suns? Huh? You know I'm recording this, right? Yeah. You finished? No? Okay. You through? Uh-oh. Are you finished? No? No? Yeah? No? No, you don't eat cracklings. Yeah. Yay. You ready? Let's go. No, you're not gonna eat the fish. Give me this fish. No. You ready? Huh? Let's go. Let's go. No, thank you. No, put those up. Give me this fish. You gonna drink water now? No? It's got plastic on there. What's that? Come on. Let's go. No. Hell no, you're not drinking on Coke. No. Stop. Come on. You gonna grab that? One more drink for the road? You gonna take it with you? Come on. Come on. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh, and let's go, baby. With your Capri Sun. Is it good? Come on. Uh-oh. You're spilling Capri Sun.